to the English grammar class from the context of Wren and Martin. Now, in Wren and Martin, we'll begin with exercise 1, the sentence. So, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words which doesn't make complete sense. So as you go on to learn any language, first we have to understand words. So words have 3 elements. First, the sound of the word, the pronunciation, which we call phonetics. Next is the grammatical part of the word, whether it's a noun, whether it's a pronoun, adjective, or whether it's interjection. And the next is the meaning of the word. So these are the 3 main elements of a word. So first we learn words, and then we get them into phrases, and from phrases we put them into sentences, and then sentences fall into clause and different type of clause, independent clause, dependent clause, and it further goes on. Presently, we will discuss how to segregate the subject and the predicate. To understand the subject and the predicate, we must understand the verb. Where is the verb? So, verbs are nothing but action words. Okay? Now, in some of the grammar texts, you would find the subject, V1, which is the helping verb, and V2, which is the main verb and the object. Now, we'll do this exercise. I will read out the sentences and then we'll try to understand. To segregate means separate the subject and the predicate. 1. The crackling of the geese. The crackling of geese saved Rome. The crackling of geese saved Rome. Saved, we must understand, is the action verb. So how to segregate this and this we can see. The boy stood on the burning deck. The boy stood on the burning deck. Tubal-Cain was a man of might. Stone walls do not make a prison. The singing of the birds delights us. The singing of the birds. Delights again has an action. Delighted. So it's a verb. Us is the object, means the predicate. Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Miss Kitty was rude. Rude is an action. Okay, so keep that in mind. He has a good memory. He has a good memory. Has is action. Good memory means he has a bad memory. You can say he has a good memory or he has a bad memory. So any one of them. So has is the verb, action, helping verb, has. So you have to know the subject, how to segregate the subject from the predicate. So you should have an idea of certain words. Bad habits grow unconsciously. Bad habits. Bad habits is the subject. Grows or grow. Which one would it be? So bad habits, if the subject is plural, grow. Bad habit grows if the subject is singular. So we have to understand certain things in English is a little confusing. But here we say bad habits. It's plural, so we use the verb form grow unconsciously. The earth revolves around the sun. That you find that in your science book. So you have to segregate the subject and the predicate. Nature is the best physician. Nature is the best physician. Best physician. Now best is an adjective. Is describing physician. Is Again, helping verb you should know. Is, are, were, was, were. These are all verb forms. Okay, so you have to understand your grammar part. Edison invented the photograph. The sea had many thousand sands. We cannot pump the ocean dry. Borrowed garments never fit well. The early bird catches the worm. All matter is indestructible. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. We should profit by experience. All roads lead to Rome. All roads lead to Rome. A guilty conscience needs no excuse. A guilty conscience needs no excuse. So try to understand on your own where the verb or the action word would be to segregate the subject and the predicate, or to segregate the subject from the object. Okay, just like this: subject, verb 1, verb 2, object. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. No man can serve two masters. A sick room should be well aired. A sick room should be well aired. Should be careful, well aired. Okay, it's telling you it should be well aired. Shouldn't be well aired, you can also say. So you have to just understand to segregate the subject and the predicate. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. I shot an arrow into the air. I shot an arrow into the air. A barking sound the shepherd hears. A barking sound the shepherd hears. Here the action word hears is at the last of the sentence. So I'll give the answers as we proceed. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. So what we have to understand is the action word, where the action word lies. But sometimes there is a confusion and exceptions are there. So for that, we just need to do the exercise. So for now, I'm giving you the solution for the exercise for Wren and Martin. Exercise and grammar 1. The sentence. Good day.